Hello, in this lab we are going to be working on lab 10.5.9, which is to restrict Telnet and SSH access. So you are in the process of configuring a new router. The router interface connects to the following network. So we're given interface and the network, and we're given the details here and here. Okay, so only Telnet and SSH access from these three networks should be allowed. In this lab, your task is to use the access list command to create standard numbered access list using number 5. Add a permit statement for each network to access the list. Use the access class command to apply the access list to VTY lines 04. Use the indirection to filter the incoming traffic. Save your changes in the startup-config file. Okay, so this is 10.5.9. Let's all start. If you find this video to be too fast for you, you can always pause the video and work at your own pace. Alright, so let's start up. We click this and then we enter enable config term, enter, and let's see, use the list access command to create user number 5, add a permit statement for each network. Okay, so we use access. Okay, and these are the details given. So access dash list 5 permit 192.168.00.0000255 enter. Access dash list 5 permit 192.168.0.0.0.255 press enter. Access dash list 1.0.0.255 enter. So use the access class command to apply the access list to VTY lines 0-4. Use the direction to filter the incoming traffic. Save your changes in the startup-config file. So let's see, line access dash class. Let's see, access dash class s. Save your changes in the startup-config file. Copy router run start file name router. Alright, remember you can always pause this video and work at your own pace. It might appear to be too fast for you because I'm trying to speed up the video and make this as fast as possible so that the video won't be too long. So we check our answers. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Thank you, and I'll see you.